Alam mo bang merong comprehensive health insurance na specifically designed para sa mga OFW? Isa ito sa mga underrated health insurance plan na hindi masyadong nai-offer sa mga OFW. This plan is called Sun Life OFW Health Protect. Isa-isahin natin ang mga benefits. First, this plan offers a comprehensive health insurance benefits that covers the insured from 114 major and minor critical illness until age 100. At pwede ka makapag-claim up to 4 times. 3 times for minor illnesses and 1 time for major illnesses. Second, limited pay lang ang plan na to. Pwede mo siyang bayaran ng 10 years, 15 years, or 20 years. Yes, limited pay lang at insured ka na until age 100. Third, meron ka pa nitong 5 additional benefits na to if you get confined due to the covered conditions. You will have a specific cancer booster benefit na kung saan makakatanggap ka ng additional 50% of your face amount kapag na-diagnose ka ng cancer. Example, if yung coverage mo is 1 million pesos, tapos na-diagnose ka ng cancer, meron kang matatanggap na additional 50% or 500,000 na magagamit mo para sa treatment and recovery mo. Aside from that, magkakaroon ka rin ng hospital income benefit, a post-hospitalization benefit, home recovery benefit, and palliative care benefit. Fourth, and since health insurance ito para sa mga OFW, meron pa sila nitong additional benefits for annual physical exam, vaccinations, diagnostic procedures, and teleconsultation na ma-avail nila on the second year of the policy and in the next 5 years. Aside pa ito doon sa benefits na binanggit ko kanina. Fifth, hindi lang puro negative events dito kasi the healthier you are and the longer you live, mas marami kang may enjoy na living benefits dahil meron itong savings component. After mo kasi ma-fully paid ang plan, meron kang matatanggap na one-time special paid up bonus at mag-uumpisa ka na makatanggap ng dividends. And yung funds na matatanggap mo, pwede mo pa siyang ipa-accumulate para mas kumita pa ito ng interest yearly. Para kapag dumating yung retirement age, mas malaki yung funds na magagamit mo. And if hindi mo nagamit yung critical illness coverage, pwede mong i-advance ang percentage ng face amount mo para magamit for retirement. Mag-uumpisa ito at the age of 65 until age 72. Yearly yan siya, hindi lang siya 1 year, kundi for 8 consecutive years. And lastly, definitely walang tapon sa insurance plan na to. Kasi if ever hindi mo man magamit yung critical illness coverage mo at nag-withdraw ka na ng savings mo, you are still covered with that life insurance coverage until age of 100. So if something happens to you, meron pa ring maiiwan sa beneficiary mo. So if you are an OFW and nasa Pinas pa kayo ngayon, message me. Discuss natin further si Sun Life OFW Health Protect.